Welcome guys sa Pinoy Talk TV kung saan gagawa tayo ng ice buko with sweet beans. I know it's my first time na maririnig niyo yung boses ko, so let's get started. By the way, recipes will be posted after this video. Okay, so kailangan natin ng young shredded coconut. Kailangan natin ng buko juice, condensed milk, thick or sweet cream, and red beans, sweet munggo beans. So first step, pagsasama-samahin natin lahat ng ingredients. So ilagay na natin yung coconut, shredded coconut, yung sweet cream, then add natin yung condensed milk, and last thing yung buko juice. We'll mix it hanggang sa mahalo lahat. And also we'll be needing plastic cups, large or small, depende sa preference nyo. For me, I use large. So, and lalagyan ng 2 tablespoon ng munggo beans bawat cups. And also minix ko na rin yung remaining sa mixture para mas mahalo lahat. And ayan, after this freeze lang natin for about 4 hours. And after waiting, should be frozen solid by now, and it's ready na, ready to eat. Tama-tama for this summer. It's very easy and simple to make, guys. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy this video, and till next time, bye, peace.